Hey guys, just driving. I've just been watching the Samoan elections, and it's been, not the elections, the official opening of the Samoan Parliament, and my God, it's pretty scary. The police banned the HRPP MPs from entering Parliament, and that's really, really unprecedented, and it is undemocratic. And I was actually quite surprised that they did that. And it's actually a bad omen for this incumbent fast government. It means that Samoans are very unsettled. They're like a bunch of headless chickens, and we don't know who the head of state really is, because the head of state didn't open the parliament. So who's the head of state? And he ratified, apparently this fast government state, that the head of state had ratified the fast government in absentia. And look, I'm a Samoan, but I'm Australian, and it's really sad to see that Samoa is now definitely in a constitutional political crisis, when only half of the actual elected officials are in Parliament, and that's very dangerous. And I'm pretty disappointed with the way Samoans have conducted themselves, and clearly there lacks leadership in Samoa, and it's not good at all. I'm actually quite disappointed, and jeez, what a way to go. So we're going to find out what's going to happen in the next week or so, even next day or so. Eventually the HRPP MPs will have to do their duties to their constituencies, and they have to turn up, and the police better allow the MPs into the Parliament buildings, because what it appears to me is FAST and the police are childish. Very, very childish. The Minister for Police is Harry Schuster, and he's not allowing his officers to permit elected officials to take their place within the Samoan Parliament is actually illegal. It's actually unprecedented and against the law for the fast government to do that. They're not allowed to do that. That's against the law. For them to deny the HRPP, who are allegedly legitimately elected into office from the April 9th 2021 General Election. And it appears that on the 14th of September 2021, the purportedly head of state, the Tuia Ana, had actually officially ratified and opened Parliament, the Parliament building, not the Tent Parliament, which was ratified by the head of state in absentia on May the 24th, 2021. And that in itself was a ludicrous situation whereby the Tui Atua was present, but not the Tui Ana. And the Tui Ana himself had ratified in absentia, allegedly, according to the FAST government and the Electoral Commissioner, which is completely unprecedented, undemocratic, and it makes a mockery of Samoan politics. Now, I'm a political scientist by qualification, although I'm not gainfully employed by anyone. It's all pro bono, but I am qualified. I have two political science degrees from Victoria University of Wellington. I'm an alumni member. That's my alma mater, and so too is the University of Queensland, which is also my alma mater here in Australia with my 2 degrees, and it is in politics. But anyway, I don't have a professorship or doctorate as all these Samoan political scientists have, but I do know a thing or two about politics, and I've been talking about this situation in Samoa for ever since the elections, and I've had threats, I've been fired from my job, I've been targeted wherever I go. I'm unemployed now. I do voluntary work in Australia because that's how powerful my enemies are, and my enemies are Palangis and Samoans and Maoris, and I have many enemies even amongst Australians, so such is life. Anyway, that's enough for now. I gotta go to some errands, and we'll talk later, eh? So fast before.